One day.
One of the side is for right. But I don't know. All of you, when you look at the side, it is Janja. When you look at the side, one of the buildings that we have, those are toilets. Zimbabwe is advanced, so that is the building you are seeing. When you look at the site, that is KICC. Uri kuzima nyumba ya Katonda agenda kuvera omu twagara suromu twagara tayaye. You understand? Ayina kuvera aho amwagara amusinka now. Thanks for inviting me here. But you always mind about my coffee. But let me just have a sip. Don't mind about my coffee, brother. Don't matter about it.